Okay, just going over another example of what we did Friday with adding to rational expressions, so in algebraic fractions. When you're presented with these, first thing you do is make sure this is a plus. If it's not a plus, change it to a plus and throw a negative up here. But more importantly, make sure you look to be factoring, and you're going to have to factor multiple things on these. In this case, you're factoring both denominators. And once you get them factored, you're looking at those denominators to pick out the LCM. So the LCM is x plus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2. Those are the only factors that appear anywhere. I don't care that x plus 1 is repeated, you just need it once. That's your LCM. And your next step is to rewrite the fractions. In class, I rewrite these fractions with just the denominators and this x. And then I ask you, what do I have to multiply the bottom here by to get this? Well, it's x minus 2. So I have to multiply top and bottom by x minus 2. On the one over here, I have to multiply top and bottom by x plus 3. So what you do now is you simplify what you can in those numerators by distributing, combine like terms, and then the next thing you should do is look at that and see if you can factor it. And if you're going to factor it, what's probably going to happen is, if it's factorable, you're going to cross off one or more of these factors on the bottom. This one's not factorable, so the problem would be done at this point. So recap, make sure this is a plus. If it's a minus, you would change that to a -5. Factor the denominator, get the LCMs, multiply the top and bottom so you have a common denominator, simplify the top. In simplifying this top, you may have to actually factor it, and you should always check to see if you can factor it. This one you can. All right.